So after seeding, we have to wait overnight for the cells to seed, and then we change media into the maintenance media. And after 4 days of maintaining, the cells should start forming microtissues in the pores of the scaffolds.
So you can begin dosing at day 4.
Exactly.
So now that we're at day 4, what's the next step?
So the next step is you have to aspirate the media that has been used up by your cells and top up with fresh media. Before we change the media, we can take samples from the wells to check the baseline functionality of liver microtissues. This can be used as a quality control test. At this point, you're also able to dose your cell cultures, and all that essentially looks like is diluting your drug in your maintenance media.
Okay.
And I will demonstrate at one of the wells how you do that. So these cultures can be sustained for up to 4 weeks. That allows us to explore the effects of acute and repeat dosing in our cell cultures.
And how does something like that compare to like 2D?
2D cultures typically last for less than a week, and that does not allow you to investigate the effects of drugs long term. All you have to do is remove the lid, and then using an aspirator, remove the expended media. And for this step, you have to use the lower notch in the well. So using that, I'm able to safely remove the expended media without harming the tissue culture. Here in this vial, I have diluted my drug with maintenance media, and that's essentially my dosing regimen. So after performing the media exchange cycle, removing any old media, you're able to top up with fresh media containing your compound. To do that, you have to insert your pipette tip at the shallow notch on the liver scaffold, and then slowly pipette the media inside. And that's it. So now your cells have been dosed with the specific concentration of compound you're looking to investigate. So all you have to do now is reinsert your plate back into the docking station, and your cells can be maintained for up to 2 to 3 days before you perform another media exchange cycle to ensure that your cells have enough nutrients to be maintained. And don't forget, at every media exchange, we have the opportunity to remove media for longitudinal analysis. This is also when we dose the tissues again if performing a repeat dosing study. And that's it.
It's easier than you think.